Here's an interesting trick to number rows, even if you have blank rows. So we want to number these 1, 2, 3, but if we add something here, we want to renumber this 2, 3, 4. Now this is really easy if there's no blanks. If there's no blanks, we just can do row -1. We could copy paste this all the way down. We could even do equals sequence, 10 rows, 1 column, start at 1, step 1, and just get 1 through 10. But we have these blanks. So how do we deal with those? We're going to need to show the number only when there's something there. So we'll start with if is blank, and we'll use B2 because that's the cell that we want to know, is it blank or not. We don't want to do anything if it actually is blank, so we need 2 commas. And then what to do if it is not blank, we want to number it. We'll do count A, and here's the little bit of a trick. We do $B, $2, colon, B2. There's no dollar signs in the second part of that. Now, if we copy paste, you'll notice the B2 that is not with the dollar sign will change to B3. Copy paste again, now it's B4, and we're now numbering when we have no blanks. So if we delete coffee, it automatically renumbers these. This is a pretty cool little trick. If you're looking for more tips, tricks, tutorials, or even some templates or automations to add to your templates, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.